Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 31st of December 2022. So today is last day of 2022. We already passed yesterday, is the last trading day, right, of 2022. Now today is the last day of 2022. So before we jump into 2023, right, I want to wish everyone a wonderful 2023. Have a wonderful trading year, wonderful investing year, make a lot of income, make a lot of money, make a lot of profit, and don't forget join the KS Auto Profit chart analysis course okay, so that you can get much more, you can find much more opportunity okay, to gain more advantage over the market. Okay, so have a wonderful year 2023, have a big harvesting year. Okay, so before we start, of course, I want to take a quick look at this disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so today, right, we are going to be a little bit different. Today we are going to see the whole year analysis from the chart point of view. We want to see whole year what happened to the investment asset either a commodity, aluminium, US market, all these. So we want to see what happened the whole year. Also, we want to see the chart for the whole year, whether it dropped a lot or it went up a lot, it dropped a lot. So you have a idea what is going on this full year. Okay, so first we want to look at aluminium. Okay, so aluminium started from January 2022. Okay, January until March. Okay, the price actually went up. Okay, the price keeping go up until it reached certain point here, which is 325. Okay, after it reached 325, it just started to drop. Okay, it dropped and it's still making a lower low. It's still making a lower low, so the market is still dropping. Okay, but now it got a short-term rebound. So the price is still holding. Okay, holding on a short-term rebound. Okay, it's still holding in the channel. So if we keep holding in the channel, still okay. If we drop out of channel, okay, there is a danger of this short-term continue drop. Okay, so as long as holding the channel is okay. So this could be a chance that the market is on its way up. So from the peak of the year, right, from the aluminium price, aluminium futures from the top, right. So what happened from the top, right? Okay, the price actually dropped to now. Okay, it actually dropped 35% already, from the top. So this year, right? Okay, from the top come down 35%. So this is, we are having quite a bearish market. Okay, a bearish market for this aluminium. But now we are having a short-term rebound. Okay, short-term rebound. Let's look at copper. Copper for the whole year. Okay, 2022. Okay, 2022 copper was on a high due to this due to the technology, right? Okay, the big rally for the technology, right? So copper is in high demand. Okay, so until when? Okay, until here it reached the top at March 22. Okay, at March, during March. So after March, it's starting to drop again. Okay, so from March till now, right? Let's see how much it dropped. Okay, from March till now, actually it dropped 24%. Okay, 24%. So let's see how much it dropped the lowest. Okay, actually lowest it hit 37%, so it came back to 24%. So we are having a short-term rebound, so you have to take note. Okay, so market is actually making lower low, so you have to still take note that the market is still falling in the long term, but short term is having a rally. It means it's going up slowly, okay, it's going up slowly. Is it a long term rebound? Possible. Okay, as long as stay inside this channel, okay, it's still on a short term rebound. Okay, if it drop outside this channel, means it's going to continue drop again. Okay, so this is how we look at copper. Okay, copper short term is still on a short term rebound. Look at CPO. Okay, CPO 2022. Okay, here. Okay, so early of 2022, right? It was still going up, right? It was going up until when? Until March. Okay, March and until April. Okay, April was the peak, 7,254. Okay, after that it's starting to drop. So how much the drop from the peak? Let's see. Okay, the biggest drop from the peak was 54%. Now it's holding around 42%. So palm oil this year from the top already came down 40. Until now it's 42%. Okay, it really dropped to 50%, but now it's holding at 42%. Okay, so you see the market actually from the whole year point of view, from the whole year analysis, right? Okay, early of the year still okay. Okay, early of the year still okay for commodity, metal, all this. But in the starting from after the second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, okay, everything start to drop. Everything start to drop. Sun starts from April. You see double top. Okay, double top. So the price to drop. So until now it's still dropping. Okay, no doubt we have a short-term sideways correction. Now we are having a sideways correction, but it's not strong. Okay, so let's take a look at Nasdaq technology index. Okay, so technology index was at the peak was here. December 21st January 21st, around January okay, it hit around January, was from the top. The highest top was formed during November 22. Okay, the second highest peak. This is, you see another double top. You see double top, right? Double top. Okay, so you see when the market want to reverse, it show you some pattern, double top. Okay, so what happened here was during December, January start the whole year. Okay, Nasdaq was starting to drop. So Nasdaq until now, right? See how far it's dropped from the top. How far Nasdaq has dropped from the top. Okay, Nasdaq has dropped 33% up to now from the top. So we are having a bear market now. We are having a drop market, bearish market a bearish market now. So don't expect too much. So that's why we can't actually expect to make a lot of money, right? If we can make a lot of money here, right, then what is this? So these are the time that we make a lot of money, right? These are the time that we make a lot of money. Okay, this is a time that it's really difficult to make a lot of money because Malaysia we can't short the market we can but very difficult to short the market very difficult to short. Okay, so okay, so Nasdaq, see semiconductor index. Okay, so Nasdaq for now, right? Okay, in the short term is trying to hold okay, it got false break, so it's still going down but it's trying to hold 10,705. If we can hold this one, maybe still okay sideways. If it drop below here, it's going to come back to the bottom channel. It means it's still got a possible, still another possible push down. Okay, semiconductor index. Okay, semiconductor index will be quite similar to Nasdaq. Okay, the peak was at January. January 10. Okay, so the peak was January. After January, it just drop. So how far is it? Let's see how far it has gone from the peak. Okay, so it had dropped maximum 48%. Now it's holding at 37%. So very big drop from the market. Very big drop. Okay, look at oil. Okay, oil also. Okay, oil peak at this one. Oil peak at March 2022. March. Then another top was June 2022 okay, so how far did it drop from the peak? Let's see. So oil, the biggest was 45%. So now it's holding at 37%. Okay, so everything is still down. Okay, everything is still down. Look at steel. Okay, steel. Okay, still let's say this whole year don't look at last year look at 2022 okay, 2022 it peaked at March, okay, March 10 okay, around March 10. So after March 10 the peak, how far has it dropped? Let's see. Okay, it dropped until 33%. Okay, and the lowest it dropped was 35%. Okay, so it's still slightly going up okay, so the whole market, you can see, right, the market, right, okay, it has been mainly second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, the whole market is dropping. The whole market is dropping. Look at gold. Okay, gold different story okay, gold. Okay, gold gold was at the peak of March, also March 22 okay, March. So after March it's actually dropping. Okay, it actually dropped. It actually dropped maximum around 22%. Okay, but now it's going back up. So it actually dropped 11%. That's why a lot of people say gold outperform other. If you compare the whole year, gold actually outperform most of the other assets, because it dropped the less it dropped the less. And you see, right, you see the double bottom here, right, broke a double bottom. So I say I put the target 1844. See, almost reaching there already. Okay. Of course, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we don't need to talk Bitcoin, we know. Okay, from the peak of 66,000 was November last year So from this year we talk about this year don't talk about next year That's last year This year the peak was here, 47,000 47,000. So from the 47,000, right, the peak, it has dropped okay, it has dropped 65%. Okay, 65%. The maximum it dropped was here, 67. Now it's a drop 65%. Okay, so let's see. It is holding a sideways pattern. It's holding a sideways. So what we want to see on Bitcoin is, I want to see another push down. I want it to go lower. The lower the better. So we will pick up some. We hope for a big jackpot. Not next year. Bitcoin rebound will take a few years, maybe 2 years, 3 years. We don't expect so easily can get a jackpot. Okay, I want it to go to 12,000. Okay, 12,000. If I see rebound, I want to pick up some. If it couldn't rebound, if it drop again to 4 to 7,000, then maybe I will probably add some also. Then hold and see. Of course, this one, as I said, Bitcoin, you don't throw everything in because it's highly speculative. It's a very high risk. Okay, very high risk investment. Very high risk investment. We only put 5-10% of our capital in. We expect this 5-10%. Okay, if we hit the jackpot, it can beat all the other investment in stock market index. And we can expect it to. We hope it to beat everything, or either we lose. Okay, either we lose all, or either it didn't make any money, or it can make a lot of money. This is what we hope for. So these are the money for Bitcoin. Okay, this is high risk, means you throw in the money, don't expect the money to how to call it, only put in money that we can afford to lose. We throw in, don't expect it to like, wow, if it lose, go to zero, you won't cry one. If it goes to zero, you cry one, then you cannot put in the money. Put in the money that you can afford to lose only. Because this one is not. This one is speculative investment. This is not buying a Tesla stock. Tesla stock is a company that make money. Okay, it's a company that producing car. Okay, it's a company that production and making profit. This is speculative. Mean you buy it from me higher, only I make money. This is nothing. Bitcoin by itself doesn't produce any money, doesn't produce any production. So you have to understand. Okay, speculative product and these are investment product. Investment product that how they call it a productive one. Productive asset means you buy an asset, you buy a company. The company is making profit. Okay, so this one It's only speculative. Means only goring only. No goring. This one can be zero, can be no move for 10 years, or can be dropped to zero, also possible. But if it start to goring this one, if it really start to pump, you can see okay a very big margin there. Bitcoin, I'm not. Last time I used to look for 50%. Remember last time I told you right, 20-30,000. That time I start to play. That time only can get like 50% all those but now I know already Bitcoin, you really have to wait for the big crash. You have to wait for it to really go down really low, really low. No, you buy 30, okay, 20-30%, you buy 30,000 40,000, okay, but you cannot expect to make to get this one, how to call it, to win a BMW from it or just make some money, okay lah. But if you want to make BMW, want to buy Mercedes from it, you really have to catch it very low, very low. That's why I want it to go even lower. I hope it come even lower. Okay, if it drop to 10 ringgit, if it drop to $10, right, I will still buy some and put. If it $10, if something happen, something Elon Musk say, okay, I'm back into Twitter. Okay, we work with Bitcoin. Twitter, we work with Bitcoin to establish a new system. Like that. You manage to buy at $10, right? You can, but not BMW, maybe Lamborghini. Speculative lah. If the US regulation say okay, Bitcoin now we want to ban whole world, finish lah your money. It's like that lah, the story lah. Okay. So lah, speculative one. Okay. August 22. Let's see. Ethereum this year the top was here. Let me see. Okay, the top was here. Okay, at 3,196. So we see this year we don't talk about last year So this year it has dropped 66%. Why it dropped bigger? Because Bitcoin is more. Ethereum is a bit more volatile than Bitcoin. Okay, so it's a bit more 66%. So it dropped maximum. Or 75% maximum. Okay, so Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin also dropped quite a lot this whole year. March. This year only, I'm talking about 2022. Litecoin will drop a lot. Okay, here. Okay, since January it start to drop. Okay, January until the highest drop was 72%. 72%, the biggest drop. Now it's holding at 56. Okay, so this one also I'm waiting for it to drop some more. See what happened at SRP. Okay, SRP at the peak was let me see. Okay, 2022 at the peak was here. Yeah, February. Okay, so it dropped the highest. The most it dropped is 68%. Now it's holding at 63%. Okay, let it drop. The bigger the better. Now it's still sideways. Nothing too much. Let's see Australia. Australia not too bad. It's coming back up actually. Australia, because commodity country. Okay, so they are this type of commodity product is still okay Okay, so from the peak, right, it was here. Okay, so Australia is doing quite well. Okay, from the peak was let me see here. Okay, April. Okay, April actually dropped, the maximum dropped 17%. Now it's holding at 7%. Okay, so Australia is doing quite good. Australia is not that bad affected. Let's see Japan. Okay, Japan quite bad. Okay, Japan at the top was here. Okay, 30,000 was at no, not here. January. Okay, January was here. So Japan actually dropped until the maximum it dropped was 15%. 16%. Now is holding at 12%. So Japan market also not too bad affected. Not too bad. Look at UK. Okay. Okay, UK, the top was UK also not too bad, huh? UK also not too bad. Okay, UK the top was at here, 7,006. Okay, so now it went back up. It just dropped a few percent only, 2% only. The maximum maximum drop was at 12%. Okay, so not too bad. Look at German. German quite bad effect. That's why I said German, right? You want to see index, the early warning, if you are looking at US market, right? Early warning of a crash, okay, early warning of a rebound, it normally come from the German DAX, okay. So it follow the US one, okay. Here January, okay, January was the peak, okay, January was the peak. So the biggest drop was around 28%, 28%. Okay, let me see. Yeah, 27%, 27%. Okay, so now it has gone back. It has recovered, okay, to 15%. Means this Europe actually is okay lah. It's starting to recover lah. Okay, see US S&P. Okay, S&P, the peak was when? Okay, the peak was January. Okay, January 2022. So you see the whole year actually the market is dropping. So don't expect to make a lot. Don't expect this year to make a lot of money so if you already make money, it's already considered very good okay. So this is a bear market okay. So it started to drop. Maximum actually dropped down to 27%. Okay, now it's holding at 19. Okay, 27. Yeah, 27%. S&P is not too bad, not too bad affected. S&P because they're not technology. Technology is the first affected 27. Now it's holding at 20%. Okay, look at Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones. Okay, the peak was here also January. Okay, January. Okay, January. So it dropped. The maximum it has dropped to 22%. Okay, now it's holding. Now you recover quite a lot. It's dropped at 10%. Now it's holding 10%. Okay, so S&P and Dow Jones actually recover a bit. Okay, only this Nasdaq is still quite bad lah. Nasdaq is still very technology lah. Okay, so S&P, yeah, S&P is not on a rebound. I tell you so lower high. So it's still continuation of a downtrend. Okay, Dow Jones is a bit different. Dow Jones has a little bit rebound already. Dow Jones is actually looking like it's on its way up. Okay, see whether it can hold or not. This channel, it can hold outside the channel. If you can hold outside channel, maybe got chance. Okay, so let's see. Okay, semiconductor index also quite bad lah. Okay, so done with all these global indexes, and let's see US stock. Apple. Okay, so Apple, where was the peak this whole year? Okay, the peak was here. Okay, January also picked up at January at 180, around 180. Okay, 180. Now the lowest it has dropped is here to 126. It's 30%. Okay, 30%. Now it's holding at 28%. So it's quite a big drop for Apple. Okay, it's still dropping. Look at AMD. Okay, AMD also peaked at look at this year lah. It peaked actually here. It peaked actually at November. So we just look at this year only, see how far it dropped this year. Okay, so this year was here, January. So the maximum it has dropped is 60%. Imagine AMD, right? One of the top chip maker in the world. Okay, Apple, one of the top phone maker of the year of the world, dropped like 60%. 60%. Now it's holding at 53%. 53% from the peak, right? Apple also 60, right? Not mistaken, right? 60. Sorry, Apple at 30 only. Apple at 30. Okay, Apple is okay. Apple at 30. Okay, drop 30. Now it's 20 over. AMD 60% from the peak. So you see, okay, how bad is it? So Amazon, let's see Amazon. Okay, Amazon. Why was the peak? Here, okay, here March Okay, started to drop much. Okay, so the lowest it dropped is now, around 51%. 50 over percent. Okay, if we count from the top, already dropped 56%. Okay, Alibaba. Alibaba this whole year from the peak was from the top was here. Okay, here January at 138. Okay, so the lowest it dropped is 56%. Now it's holding at 36. So it goes up a bit. Okay, now it's trying to rebound. As I said, Alibaba is the one that is possible rebounding. Others are all dropping. Okay, look at Google. Okay, Google, the top was here, February. Okay, February was the top here at 152. Okay, so the bottom it reaches here at 86. It's 43%. Okay, 43. Now it's holding at 41%. You see how bad is the market, right? This whole year. So okay, let's see Grab. Okay, Grab 2022 was here. It already dropped 2022, so it doesn't drop a lot. From 2022 was here. The peak of 2022 was here, 6.52, and it dropped maximum to 65%. 65%. Now it's holding at 50%. So from a 2021 peak, wow, this Grab really, wow, really 80 over percent drop. So quite bad. Intel. Now it's sideways. Okay, Intel. Okay, Intel also not doing well, right? So the peak, let me see, this whole year the peak was here. No. Okay, the peak was here at 53. Okay, 53. Let's see how much it dropped for the bottom to the bottom. 54%. Now it's holding at 51%. Look at Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Okay, Facebook 2022. Okay, April. Okay. Oh no, January here. January. February. Oh, here. Okay, February here. The top was here. Okay, at 330. Okay, the lowest it dropped was to 88. It's 72%. Now it's holding at 63%. Microsoft. That's why you see how bad is the market. Okay. Microsoft, the peak was here. Okay, March. Okay, at 314. It dropped maximum. It dropped 32%. Now it's holding at 23%. Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia was chip maker. Big drop. Okay, January. Okay, January it was holding at 311. Okay, 311 dropped to the lowest point is 60 or 60, around 63%. 65%. Now it's holding at 53%. Or Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Okay, Tesla from this year the top was okay, the top was January. It was 401. Okay, around 401. So it dropped maximum and 73%. Now it's holding at 69%. Okay, Visa. Visa, the peak of the year was 2022 here, and at February at 234. Okay, it dropped the maximum dropped 25%. Now it's holding at 12%. Okay lah, Visa is okay. Zoom. Oh, look at Zoom. Okay, Zoom, the peak of 2022. 2022 was here. Okay. Okay, 2022 is around here. 9194, it dropped to the bottom was 66%. Okay, it dropped 66%. Now it's holding around there. It's holding around 65%. It dropped maximum to 67%. So you see Zoom, right, from 2021 top, from the top, okay, or 2020 top, from the this demand during the COVID, it has dropped actually 87%. Okay, look at the banking, JP Morgan. Okay, banking also didn't do that well also in the beginning. So it 2022 JP Morgan was 165. Okay, so it dropped to the maximum. It dropped 38%. Now it went back up. Now it's at 19%. Okay, So the banking actually rebound, banking actually not Citibank, Citibank didn't do so well. Citibank was at the peak, okay, was at this one 66, so it actually dropped maximum, it had dropped up to 40, okay, 40. Okay, so now it's holding at 32. Okay, Morgan Stanley. Okay, Morgan Stanley, the peak was here 106, so maximum it dropped to 33%. Now it's holding at 20%. So the banking is doing better this whole year Okay, didn't drop so much didn't drop that much. Okay, so Goldman Sachs. Okay, Goldman Sachs was at 401. It dropped, maximum dropped to 274, 31%. Now it went up, already went back to 14%. Okay, so still okay. We forget to look at KLCI. Okay, KLCI, let's see the peak of 2022. Okay, the peak of 2022 was here. Okay, at 1620. Okay, so the biggest drop, it dropped actually 15%, not so bad it dropped, maximum drop 15% from this whole year, and now it's holding at 7.7. Okay, that's not too bad okay, this KLCI, KLCI not too bad. Okay, KLCI is not too bad, but it's still going down. It's still going down. Okay, it's still on the downtrend. Okay, so let's look at the sector, local Malaysia sector. Okay, construction, look at 2022. What's the top? Okay, construction was top at here. Okay, 172. Okay, construction, the maximum it has dropped 16%. Now it's holding at 11%. So construction is slowly still sliding down in the long term. Okay, consumer at the peak was 2022 peak was here, 595. So it actually dropped, maximum dropped to 8%. Now it's going up. So now it's actually holding quite strong. It actually went down 1% only this whole year. So it has a big drop, so it's starting to recover. Malaysia looks okay, looks better. Looks better. Okay. Okay, so it looks slightly better. Look at energy. Okay, look at okay, energy was peak was here. Okay, the peak 879. So it has dropped maximum to 31%. Now it's holding quite strong. It's holding at 11%. 11%. Finance. Okay, finance actually gained. Finance actually doing very well this year. The peak was at May. Okay, so it dropped maximum, it dropped 7%. Now it's holding at 3%. So it's okay. Okay, healthcare from the bottom of this year. Okay, this year it was holding here. January. Okay, January it was here. Okay, at 2347. So this whole year it dropped maximum to 38%. Now it goes back up, holding at 25%. Okay, so industry. Okay, industry, we have the top at here. Top was here at April, during April. Okay, so how big was the drop? We have a maximum drop of 23%. Now it's holding at 16%. Okay, so the peak of this year for plantation was here, was in April. Okay, 9,000. So it dropped, maximum drop up to 30%. Now it's holding at 20%. Okay, property. Okay, property, we are at the peak after 2022 is February. Okay, February we are 743. The maximum drop was 19%. Now we are holding at 13%. REIT, okay, REIT this whole year, the peak was at June 22, okay, so it dropped maximum, it has dropped 7%, now it's holding at 6% drop. Technology, okay, technology this whole year, the peak was at January, okay, at 97, okay, so it has maximum drop was 43%, okay, now it's holding at 35%, so quite bad this year. Holding technology stock is really difficult okay, telco also quite a bad year, okay, we got a peak at this year, right? The peak was at March, okay, so after March the drop was around 18%, okay, 18%. Now it's dropped at 9, okay, but drop from the top of the last year, right? Top was quite a lot drop from the last year top you compare, right? Okay, it's 27 okay, 27 still not that bad not as bad as technology. Okay, transportation at the peak for this year was here, okay, here. The biggest drop was 13%. Now it went up 3%. Also, transportation recovering very well. Utilities, okay, utilities. The top of this year was here, okay, during April. So the biggest drop was around 11%. Now it's holding at 3%. So a lot of these already see bottom a lot of these are sector, right? Okay, probably already see bottom. So China, if global recession next year, market very bad, maybe I think they will not drop a lot. They may be sideways for a while, okay, waiting for the US global rebound. Then it should have a chance to rebound so I think a lot of these local sector, right, already near bottom already, really near bottom. So they are not dropping much anymore. Means they are slightly recovering already. So maybe one more drop, or maybe they just sideways, okay, they just sideways, no more drop, they just sideways, then they wait for the good market, good big rebound, it got chance to start to rebound okay. So okay, so this is the yearly recap what happened, okay, for the whole global local sector, local sector and commodity, metal, all this so now you understand the market this whole year, right? There's no sector that actually no sector that actually went higher than it started okay, that end up bullish all the sector actually end up bearish drop. And globally also all the global market, all the metal, all the commodity also end, okay, also end the year with a low okay, so you understand so this year not so good. When the times come, when the market rebound, okay, so there are a better time for bigger profit okay. So I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Happy New Year, have a wonderful celebration. Bye bye.